Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul and I have a review on Dossier. So hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Hope you are too. It's a blessing to be in the land of the living. And yeah, so I have a Dossier review. As we know, Dossier is high-end, a high-end replica perfume. They do it, okay? Dossier packaging come like this here. I'm sorry. Comes packaged like this, okay? I have two today, and this is Gourmand White Flowers. The top notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries. Middle notes are white flowers, orchid, rose, and the base notes are musk, patchouli, caramel or caramel, however you say it, vanilla. Inspired by Victor and Rolf. Y'all, when I tell you, Flower Bomb smells so good. Oh my goodness. Let me tell y'all, I have been wearing this and it smells so good. Okay, please get you some. Dossier can also be found in Walmart. But honey, I don't really want to spray it. I don't want to lose none of my perfume. But it smells so good. Ooh, wait. Oh, y'all, when I tell you, it smells so good. As a matter of fact, I think I wore this today. I sprayed some of this morning. It smells so good. I love it. Dossier. You know, their perfumes run from $29 to maybe $49. And I'm telling you, I love Dossier. I really don't wear too much of anything else. I mean, you know, I have my perfumes that I wear, but that Dossier, I am so, oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. And this next one is Floral Musk. The top notes are pear, bergamot, lychee. Middle notes are jasmine and rose. The base notes are musk, vanilla, and patchouli. Inspired by Lancome Idol. Ooh, honey, let me tell you. You talking about something smell good, honey. I wore this last week. And some man, he said, you gotta write that down for me, Miss Mason. He said, cause I guess I want to get some for my wife. I was like, sure. Ooh. So yes, this Idol. One of the ladies at the job wears this. And she wears the, you know, the $100-something bottle. I asked her, I said, what's the name of that? And she told me, y'all, I absolutely love this perfume. It smells, it just smells so grown up, and it's just so, oh God, it smells really, really good. Okay, it smells grown up, sexy, whatever you want to call it. I love it. Oh, did I show y'all? I showed y'all the name of it. Floral Musk. Go on there and get you some. Get you some. Get you some. It smells so good. Yes. Yes, I'll have two next month to show you. Okay, so please go on Dossier. I will leave the information down below. Check out their perfumes. What's this month? This is September. I'm sure they got some sales going on. They always having a sale going on, so go ahead and check them out. I will leave their information down in the description box below. And go and get you some perfume, because honey, I'm not paying no $100 and something for no bottle of perfume. Not when I can get that same smell, that same perfume, probably even smell better. Because I don't know what these perfumes smell like. They're, you know, from the original designer, but I do know what Dossier smell like, and it smells amazing. And that idol smells all, you know, like that idol that the young lady wears on the job. Okay, so please go and get you some Dossier. Check them out. Like I said, they will be in the description box below. Alright, so let me see. I got me some of this Boy aloe vera juice beverage. Revitalize your body. Vitamin A, C, E, and zinc. Okay, and this is mango. I'm going to try this. Okay, I'm going to try this. Somebody hauled this, and yeah, I want to try it. It looks like it could be something. I love these, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. This here Wana Bana natural fruit smoothie, strawberry, orange, banana and beet. No sugar added, y'all. I'm telling you, put these in your refrigerator. They nice and cold. They be so good. I love these. I just pop the top off, squeeze it in my mouth, and it is so good. I absolutely love it. $1.25 at the tree. And I also got this Juicy Bio 100% juice, natural juice made from a best selection of fruits, all the goodness of nature squeezed in a refreshing bottle, not from concentrated, just the pure fruit. So yes, I seen somebody haul these as well, and I was like, oh, I want to find these in my Dollar Tree. And sure enough, I found these today in my Dollar Tree. It's no preservatives, no artificial colors or flavors. It's vegan and gluten-free. Look at that. Vegan and gluten-free. That's something. Wow, I'm really wanting to try those. We also have some crunch berries, y'all. I used to love these. I was pregnant with my daughter, and I ate these like on the job, like our 10 o'clock break. I was crunch berry down. I got this 18-pack chocolate sandwich cream cookies. Okay, I tried this today. They come packaged like this here, 2 in a pack. Okay, and it's 18 of them. 18 package. So this right here will be going to my job. I got me some bleach cleaner. This awesome bleach cleaner, awesome with bleach, is really good. This cleaner with bleach is really good. I like this from the Dollar Tree. Yep, that's what I use. And I also got this Airwick Fresh New Day. It's called Fresh Waters. It smells pretty good. Has a nice, fresh, clean smell. Got that for our bathroom at work. Okay. Sorry about that. I also got this coconut water and mango dial for my job. Okay. I know they have those at Walmart, I think, and somewhere else. They're like $1 and something. I got this here for my daughter, clearing peel off clay mask. Got that. Okay. How many? 9 minutes. Okay. She loves these. This is by Freeman. No harsh chemicals, sands, ingredient. No harsh chemicals. I was going to read the Spanish or whatever part they had. Yeah. But she loved these. So I got her one of those. Okay. I also got this glow water. I wanted to try this. I've seen people hauling this. This alkaline spring water. I'm getting ready to put this in the refrigerator and let it go. It's total fat 0, sodium 0, total carbohydrate 0, protein 0. It's just nothing. But it's natural electrolytes, 100% recyclable, no PET, no BPA 3. Okay. So, we got alkaline spring water, 100% naturally alkaline spring water. Okay? There you have it, flow. Okay? I also had these garlic parmesans. I had the other ones, but I tried those. Those were pretty good. I'm just not a pretzel lover like that, but these are really, really good. Okay, I used to be, but I stopped eating pretzels. Okay, so I got these. Yep, it's the garlic parmesan, and I love garlic and I love parmesan. I got some A1 steak sauce, thick and hearty steak sauce. My daughter liked that for her steaks, and I like to put them in my burgers. I do. I also have Palmolive 100% more 100% more full ounce versus Dawn 7/4 ounce. Okay, Palmolive, we love it here in our home. I get the original, and we like Dawn too. So whatever I found at the Dollar Tree, you know, in a big size like this here, that'll work for me. Yep, Palmolive. Y'all remember the lady used to do the gloves or something other with the Palmolive? Okay, I got me some nourishing hair oil. I need it's coconut and shea by Salon Selective. Okay, I got that. Yeah, I needed me some oil for my hair. And I also have this exfoliating pre-tan exfoliator body wash and a sponge. Oh, I am interested. I am not anxious. I'm excited. I guess you could say, to try this. Okay. Smells pretty good. Coconut, and it's thick plastic. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Okay, y'all, I believe that is my haul for today. Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please remember to go down and check out Dossier with the, you know, and check out and go and get you some, because there's some holidays coming up. We have Christmas coming up, you know, and you can get your Christmas done. Get it done early, you know. Get your presents. You got birthdays coming up. You can get birthday gifts and all that. So, yeah. Thank you so much. And remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I. But he loves you much better. He loves you. Any problem that you have, y'all, anything that you're going through, remember that God is there for you. All you got to do is give it to him. Cast your cares upon him. And he will take care of you. He will answer your prayers, you know. When you pray and be sincere and really want God to move in your life and to deliver you and set you free, come on. He is there, because y'all, we are living in the end times, and it is really getting rough out here. It is really getting rough. But I tell you what, I want to see Jesus one day. Okay? I want to see the man that say, well done, thy good and faithful servant. Because, honey, look, some of us has been through a lot of trials and tribulations. I don't want to get to, you know, his face, you know, when Jesus come back, and, you know, when I get up there, I don't want him to say, depart from me, you worker of iniquity. I don't want that. I want God to say, come on in. Oh, God, you've done a good job. You know, I mean, y'all, we don't have to be perfect, but I do believe we have to know how to treat people and to know how to love people, even when they do you wrong. You know, even when people do you wrong, you still have to learn how to love them. You ain't got to be all up in their face and stuff like that there. But how we gonna love Jesus, God, and we can't even love the people down here? Okay? We got to answer to that. We got to answer to all unrighteousness in our life. We got to answer to it. So, just remember that God loves you and He's there for you. All you got to do is talk to Him, pray, talk to Him just like you talking to me, or you talking like I'm talking to the camera. You can talk to Him. He's there for you. He's listening. He's listening because He loves you. He knows what you're going through. But you got to ask. We have to ask. We have to ask. And He will deliver and set you free. I love y'all. Okay? I love y'all. So, remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until I see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.